Today we're going to make French toast, and we have eggs, bread, vegetable oil, cinnamon, and vanilla, and brown sugar. Gotta wash your hands. We're back and we washed our hands. Now I'm going to crack one egg. Wow, Seneca! I'm scared. Now Marlo's going to put in the cinnamon. That's good. Seneca's gonna pour the vanilla and now we're gonna mix it. It feels chocolatey. Good job again, Seneca. Now we're gonna pour the milk in. Milk. Yes, mix so much. I spilled a little bit, Mama. Now I'm gonna put the bread in the mixture. Where are you? Brown sugar. This one's for you. You put brown sugar on it. I put the other one brown sugar on it. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Finish. But now Daddy's gonna put it in the frying pan. So good. This is like the best French toast I ever had. Like it? Yeah. Thank you for watching our video. I hope you click subscribe